Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by shutting off the water and removing the P-trap so you can see the tailpiece and drain outlet. This prevents leaks while you work. Once done, inspect the cabinet back and the window framing to plan a vertical vent run. You want a 2-vent for most sinks or 1. 5, where code allows. Make sure you have the vent pipe, slip connector, flashing or boot, and a vent cap. These items avoid rework and ensure a proper seal. You cut a neat hole through the cabinet back and through the sheathing between studs, keeping clear of electrical and maintaining a slight rise toward the stack. This prevents trap siphonage. Next, dry fit the vent and the slip connector to the tailpiece or trap arm, then solvent weld or use approved fittings. Secure the run with straps every 4 feet. If you cannot tie into the main stack, consider an approved air admittance valve, but make sure local code allows that option. You bring the vent up through the wall near the window, install flashing or a boot where it exits at the window plane, and seal with tape and exterior-grade caulk to prevent water intrusion. Once sealed, reconnect the drain and P-trap, then run several fills and quick drains to confirm the vent clears air. You should not hear gurgling. If water drains slowly or the sink gurgles, check for a low spot in the vent, partial blockage, or any loose fittings and correct them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.